This video is to talk about the asset card, the card for each individual asset that you have. So to get to the card, we're first of all in the asset register, and I'm in the bait stations tab here. So all of my bait stations, wherever they might be, are recorded in this asset tab. You can see here there's the asset register ID. So that is system generated. You can't control that. That's generated by the system. The asset ID is your asset number. So you can either use barcode numbers or asset IDs that you want to give to each individual asset. If you don't populate that, it will automatically use the register ID. The next one, of course, is client. So it will automatically link to your CRM clients, whether you're using the CRM or not, that's fine. And then location. So you can have multiple locations for your clients and then multiple zones for your locations. And all of that is automatically tracked and recorded for you. So let's go through and have a look at one of the asset cards. Okay, so this is the asset card. On the left-hand side is the identification panel. That includes a photo, a QR code, which is automatically generated for that asset, and you can click on that to print it with or without your company logo. Then you've got the location maps, which will give you an overview map and directions to the current location of the asset. Next to the identification panel on the right is the asset card itself. And here we've got all of the asset details, latest details recorded. At the top is the asset register information, then the CRM information, the client location and zone, and then the asset details themselves, the description, activity level, replenished, and comments, and finally the GPS coordinates at the bottom. So these details are automatically updated every time there is a change to the asset. If we move across, the next tab is the change log. So this is where every single change that occurs is time and date stamped. And if there is a change, it's highlighted in red, so you can very easily see when that change occurred. You can record notes against the asset. You can upload multiple photos related to the asset. And every form that is completed that has an impact on the asset is also there and available. So it lists the time and date, and you can click through to see the form or the finished PDF, and that's automatically added whenever this asset is impacted. In the same way, you can have your jobs recorded. So any job that is being done that is related to the asset and has forms attached for that asset will be included in the jobs list. And finally, you've got the resources. Now, resources are documents that can be uploaded for that particular asset. So if you've got heavy duty equipment, you'll have things like the safety documents attached, operating manuals and that sort of thing. If you're using chemicals, you might have your materials safety data sheets included for the type of asset that they're working on. So this asset card is available both in the management portal, as we're looking at now, and also in the asset module in the app, and they both correlate and work together. So that's the asset card.